Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do a winter water marble, and this is just going to be a basic blue and white water marble. So the first thing you need is some room temperature purified water, and you can also use bottled water, but just don't use tap water. You're also going to need a toothpick, or here I'm using a pencil for swirling around the design in the water, and 2 colored nail polishes. I'm using white and blue, but just make sure they're cheap because it helps the design to spread. And also you're going to need a top coat, and this is just Sally Hansen Invisible. And instead of using tape, this time I'm going to be using some chapstick to help clean up and kind of expedite the cleanup process. And of course you're going to need a Q-tip for cleaning up the design, and that's it. So to get started, I'm just going to start dropping the nail polish into the water. So I'm just going to put a drop of white, and then a drop of blue. And then I'm just going to continue this pattern a few times, and the more rings you use, the more intricate the design will be. So I think I'll just do one more white and one more blue, because we want this to be pretty basic. Okay, so now that that's completely spread out, I'm going to take my pencil and make any random design in the water. You can do multiple swirls like that. And then Maggie's just going to take her nail, which has been prepped with white nail polish, and she's going to slowly dip it into the water so that air bubbles don't form. And then let it sit there for a few seconds before you take the Q-tip and clean up the extra nail polish on the surface of the water. And then she's just going to slowly lift her nail out of the water, again not to create air bubbles. And that's what it looks like. So you need to allow the nail polish to dry before you start to peel it off, and hopefully using the chapstick will clean up the nail polish around the nail a lot quicker than tape. So after you've cleaned it up with some nail polish remover, you're just going to take the top coat and put a layer of that on to seal in the design. So that's it. You can add a sparkly top coat if you want, but I think this is a really cool basic water marble design.